There's Alan, and that's Al. We've got a buddy box for Alan's 3D printed
That's the safety
plane. Very nice as well.
Just hold it.
Get some power on. Okay.
Lovely.
Yeah.
You tell me when you're ready.
Nice 3D printed EDF. He was kind enough
Yeah, it's quite hot throttle, is it?
Half throttle. Right, you have
to
control.
print some rockets for my, or missiles,
You have control?
for my English Electric Lightning.
I've taken it back.
Yeah, it's
That's all right. They seem to be doing. Turn it back to what we're doing. Are you happy with the way it's going?
Yeah.
Right, get half throttle. You have control. Put the power up. There's that now. Right there? Oh, okay.
didn't have enough power on it.
Yeah. Keep the speed on a bit. Turn it right because of the wind today. Yeah, turn right now. A bit more power. Maybe want to fly a wee bit faster. Yeah, about that much. So.
That's maybe what's wrong.
Yeah, just keep. Yeah, that's a nice power there. Sounds good. Got it for a second. Again, right, you have control again?
Yeah.
You have control? Yeah, I thought you did, so I just...
So this is your what?
If you turn it to the right this time, because of the wind's going to blow it towards us.
So did it have the aileron without that small on the wheel? Or did they go from like there to there?
Yeah, that's good. Just keep the bank angle about 30 tops and that'll be fine. That's nice.
With the wheel V17 on the hat.
Yeah, it's a scale model of it, isn't it? Yeah. Albeit made out of foam, but...
Is it turning? Right, I've got it for a second.
Can you get petrol?
Yeah, you can. It's quite with the shores down in
So-
the massive.
How do you start them? Do you have to what, like go?
Yeah, they start them individually.
So you have to go,
Yep.
and then you walk across to the other side.
Bob's got two. Bob Condra, he's got two of them. Got a white one and a green one. They used to use that plane and we had a side door back here and then the parachute used to jump out.
Oh yes, you've seen one on the TV.
Yeah.
I've never seen a real.
Yeah. We had about 6-7 minutes.
Bob's got his
You
C-17.
take control there a minute. I'll just
He's,
check.
Okay, right, I have control.
no,
1.2, okay. I don't know what that means. We've probably had a reasonable flight. Shall we dropping it over landing?
Yeah, that's a
The
good
one
idea.
that I chose the
Yeah.
parachute.
He's brought that again.
Landing.
It glides forever.
Yeah, I remember this.
The wind's the same as when we started off as well.
Look, there we are, I've just pulled the power shut. I can probably do another circuit, couldn't I?
Yeah.
I will. I'll go around again. And get it
Right.
Well, to that, Al, isn't it?
and get it right and get it right this time.
Yeah.
Right, landing times 2. Right, well done. That'll do.
Super.
Okay, so
Al,
Disarmed.
Alan's 3D printed EDF.
Rudolph, you go.